Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today, we're going on an adventure to one of my favorite places. We're going to Henderson, Nevada. Now I know what you're thinking. Henderson? Isn't that just a suburb of Vegas? Trust me, Henderson is a whole vibe of its own. We're talking stunning natural beauty, family fun, and enough hidden gems to make you shout bingo. So buckle up, buttercups, because we're about to explore the 10 best places to visit in Henderson. First up, we're diving into relaxation at Lake Las Vegas. Picture this: sparkling blue water surrounded by palm trees and those gorgeous red rocks Nevada is famous for. You can rent a paddleboat and work on your tan, or maybe channel your inner pirate and go kayaking. And if you're feeling really adventurous, try flyboarding. It's like a water jetpack. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or just a day trip to escape the ordinary, Lake Las Vegas is the perfect place to unwind and soak up the sun. Ready for a trip back in time? We're heading to the Clark County Heritage Museum. This place is like a time machine, but without the risk of accidentally running into your younger self. You can wander through exhibits showcasing the history of the region, from its Native American roots to the glitz and glamour of the Las Vegas Strip. The Clark County Heritage Museum is a fantastic place to learn, explore, and maybe even practice your best Western drawl. Who here loves chocolate? Me too! And there's no better place to indulge your sweet tooth than the Ethel M. Chocolate Factory. You can take a tour of the factory and see how those delicious treats are made. Trust me, the smell alone is worth the trip. And of course, no visit is complete without a stop at the chocolate shop. Ethel M. also has a stunning botanical cactus garden. It's the largest in Nevada, and it's the perfect place to walk off all that chocolate. Calling all bird lovers, get your binoculars ready, because our next stop is the Henderson Bird Viewing Preserve. This hidden gem is a haven for over 250 species of birds, and it's the perfect place to reconnect with nature. Stroll along the walking trails, breathe in the fresh air, and see how many feathered friends you can spot. They even have bird-watching guides if you're not sure what you're looking at. So grab your walking shoes and your sense of adventure, and get ready to experience the beauty of the Henderson Bird Viewing Preserve. Now it's time to lace up those hiking boots and explore the great outdoors at Sloan Canyon National Conservation Area. This place is a hiker's paradise, with trails for every skill level. But the real draw of Sloan Canyon is the ancient petroglyphs. These rock carvings, made by indigenous people thousands of years ago, offer a glimpse into the past and are truly awe-inspiring to see up close. So pack your water bottle, sunscreen, and sense of adventure, and get ready to experience the beauty and history of Sloan Canyon National Conservation Area. Feeling the heat? Then grab your swimsuit and get ready for some fun in the sun at Cowabunga Bay Water Park. This place is like a giant water playground with thrilling slides, a lazy river, and a wave pool that'll make you feel like you're surfing the Pacific. And if you're bringing the little ones, they'll have a blast in the kiddie areas, complete with mini slides and splash zones. It's the perfect place to cool off, let loose, and maybe even perfect your cannonball. So grab your sunscreen, your sense of adventure, and your inner child, and get ready to make a splash at Cowabunga Bay Water Park. Ever wanted to get up close and personal with a lion? Well, now's your chance. Head over to the Lion Habitat Ranch for an unforgettable experience. Don't worry, they have fences. You can meet lions, of course, but also other amazing animals like giraffes, ostriches, and even a bear cat. It's like a mini safari right here in Henderson. They even offer feeding experiences, so you can hand feed a giraffe or toss a fish to a pelican. The Lion Habitat Ranch is a fantastic place to learn about these incredible creatures and support their conservation. Plus, you can finally cross-pet a giraffe off your bucket list. Feeling fancy? Then put on your best robe and slippers and get ready to be pampered at the Green Valley Ranch Resort and Spa. This luxurious oasis is the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle and treat yourself to some well-deserved relaxation. We're talking world-class dining, a sprawling pool area with private cabanas, and a spa that'll make you feel like a new person. So go ahead, book that stay at the Green Valley Ranch Resort and Spa. You deserve it. Ready for a night out on the town? Then look no further than Sunset Station Hotel and Casino. This entertainment mecca has it all. Live music, comedy shows, a bowling alley, a movie theater, you name it, they've got it. Sunset Station Hotel and Casino is the perfect place to let loose, have some fun, and maybe even win big. Just don't forget to tip your cocktail waitress. For our final adventure, we're hopping on 2 wheels and hitting the River Mountain Loop Trail. This scenic paved trail winds its way through the desert landscape, offering breathtaking views of the mountains, the river, and the city skyline. You can bike, walk, jog, or even rollerblade along the trail. So grab your bike, your helmet, and your sense of adventure, and get ready to experience the River Mountain Loop Trail. And there you have it, folks. The 10 best places to visit in Henderson, Nevada. From outdoor adventures to luxurious indulgences, this city has something for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. See you next time.